Okay, hello. So this presentation is about AI tools for students and educators. So today we will focus on how AI can automate research, assignments, and learning, helping both students and educators save time of. Okay, so today's focus would be how AI supports students, automating research, and also smarter and faster learning with AI. So Now, why is AI in education? Why does it matter? So, students often struggle with information overload, and educators spend too much time on repetitive tasks. AI often offers solutions by saving time and improving quality. That's why it's becoming an essential tool in modern day education. So, the first tool is Perplexity AI. It's an AI powered research assistant. It can summarize articles, papers, and web sources. And most importantly, it provides citations, which is critical for academic work. So, you're gonna see how to use Perplexity AI. So, this is the place. Just go to perplexity.ai. This is where you will be taken to. You can create an account and sign in. And I'm gonna copy and paste the prompt. So I want this AI to summarize the research on climate change in Canada with citations. Okay, so it already provided me the articles which it took the content from, and then it's also providing citations. It just wrote the entire the just summarized the whatever key intakes it found from all these articles, and it also gave me like some related papers or articles that I can have a look at. Okay, so what are the use cases of Perplexity AI? Imagine a student needs five reliable sources for an essay on climate change. Instead of spending hours Googling, they can ask Perplexity AI, summarize the latest research on climate change impact in Canada with citations. The tool then provides a clear summary and references, saving the student hours of research. So the second tool is Illicit. This platform is designed for academic research. It automates literature reviews and pulls insights directly from research papers. It's incredibly useful for assignments and research projects. We're going to look at another example on Illicit AI. So I want it to show me the research on effects of meditation on stress. So I'm just gonna ask it to find papers on it. So okay, so like in seconds, it just gave me some papers that were written on this topic and also gave me an abstract summary. So you can easily just go through these, and also gave me like a summary of top four sources right here, which you can read through and decide whether you want to go along and like read it more, whether it's going to be useful for your research or not. You can also just generate a research report using the same prompt. If you just hit generate report, it is gonna take some time. As you can see, it's first it just gathered the sources, and then it's going to screen the sources, and then it's going to extract data and then generate the final report. So it this one is a little bit slower because it's generating a report. So as you can see, estimated time is 3 minutes. So we will try to come back to it later after it's done. We'll just move on with our presentation with the other examples. What are the use cases for this? Suppose a student is writing a psychology paper on meditation and stress. So they can type in effects of meditation on stress, and Elicit will extract findings from dozens of research papers within minutes. Like you saw earlier, it actually took like seconds to generate all the information. This eliminates the need to manually read through every single study. Right. Now another tool is Grammarly. So it's AI powered right now, and it has after adding AI, it's become like a really useful writing assistant that helps with grammar, tone, and clarity. It's widely used by students to make sure their academic writing is polished and professional. Right. So let's just paste something here. I have Grammarly enabled, so I'll just copy and paste this here. And if I click on this, it's going to open Grammarly. As you can see, it's providing me some suggestions other than just this paragraph does not have any errors, but it is providing me suggestions which I could use to improve my wording. So if I say accept, it's going to change that. It's also providing me another suggestion, which is say it would like improve this sentence right here. If I use this version, it's gonna change that. So yeah, it's very useful when it comes to writing. It does not actually generate the whole thing for you, but it provides you suggestions which you can use to improve your writing. Okay. So use case for this would be, let's say a student finishes writing an essay draft, then they run it through Grammarly, which corrects grammar mistakes, improves clarity, and adjustments. The final result is an essay that reads clearly and looks professional. So the final tool that we're going to use today is Quizlet AI. So this tool creates flashcards and quizzes using artificial intelligence. It is adaptive, meaning it adjusts to your strengths and weaknesses, which makes it great for preparing for exams. Now the free version of Quizlet provides you the ability to use AI to generate study guides. That's what we are going to do today. It will take you to this page after you create an account. I'll just go over to the study guide. Okay, so I will paste my prompt here, and then I will say generate. Okay, so this too will take a few minutes to finish generating. While it does that, we can just go back to take a look at the Elicit AI's outcome. Okay, so it's all in take another 5 minutes to finish it, but as you can see, it has extracted the data, it has gathered the sources, screening the sources, and it's on the last stage of generating reporting. Okay. So it also generated some discussion questions, and as you can see, the difficulty level is easy. This one is medium. So this is all based on the prompt that I provided. And you can see the key concepts, key processes that it created. Just based on that small paragraph, it extracted more information and created like a very detailed uh, guide. Alright, there you go. So it's finished creating the outline. So it's the overview, definition, key components, and then also added some questions that we had a look, and then also quick references. So if I go back to my home page, it should give me the link to the study guides that I created. You can access it from there, and you can save it and also share it. Okay. So what would be the use case for this one? So, for example, a student is preparing for a biology exam, and uh, that has the topic photosynthesis process. Now, Quizlet AI instantly can generate study guides, flashcards, example questions, which they can help. Which can help the students to retain key concepts faster and perform better on the exams. Now, what are the benefits for students? These tools benefit students in several ways. They save valuable research time, improve writing quality, make learning interactive, and ultimately help increase grades and confidence. And benefits for the educators would be AI helps automate grading and feedback, simplifies lesson preparation, and enhances student engagement. This frees up time so teachers can focus more on actual teaching. Now, here are the key takeaways. AI acts as both a study partner and a writing coach. It automates repetitive tasks and frees up time, but it's important to remember students still need to apply critical thinking when using these tools. Now, what are the outcomes of today? In summary, so we learned how students and educators can save hours with AI tools while also improving productivity and learning outcomes. These tools won't replace learning, they just enhance it. Alright, that's it for this presentation.